So moving on to some of the outlines and logistics of how these one-on-ones and boardrooms go. So a one-on-one meeting, we've been talking about it the last couple minutes here, but logistics and setup. These are those 15-minute meetings at your booth space with individuals that you've selected and we've created meetings for. This is just a general outline of the 15 minutes. We've kind of gone over a little bit about what you should be including in that meeting, but for those who have never done an in-person 15-minute quick event like this and more used to the trade show style events, this just breaks down how to utilize the time. So discovery, spending, a better part of the first half of the meeting, trying to reveal those pain points with builders, getting them to talk, interact with you. The more that you can get them to talk and uncover the needs of their business or what they're struggling with, it's only going to help you in the second half of the meeting where you can pull out things that will help alleviate those pain points or where your product or service fits in to what they're struggling with. So the more you can get them to talk, don't just focus on being sales forward and getting as much of your business out there as possible in the beginning. You really want to uncover those loose bricks with these builders. And then just saving that last minute or two for that next step, those next steps forms we just talked about, but capturing contact information for additional stakeholders, calendaring time if you've talked about it. Don't hesitate to pull out the calendar right then and there and add something to the calendar if you've talked about it. Again, it's going to be your sure sign that they're interested in moving forward with continuing the conversation.
Yeah, I think what's important here, back to the discovery piece, is the show me you know me, if you will. You want to have great questions prepared ahead of time for each of your meetings. And please don't have just the same generic ones for every single meeting. Show that you took the time to understand their company and as much about their situation as you could glean into, and have some specific questions based off of what you were able to find ahead of time. That's going to be able to, really, really be a catalyst for a strong conversation and get you further down the line to, again, that crucial next step.